The Gulf of Lion is a very interesting area for sailing. Usually the Mistral blows here, which is very strong. This year we were lucky to find it very intense.
Warning of near gale or gale. Issued Wednesday, the 20th.
With the goal of crossing the Gulf from Leucate, near the Spanish border, to Cassis. The conditions forced us to divide the trip into stages, without being able to make a direct crossing. The first day passed with an average wind around 25 knots upwind almost to Sète, a beautiful city also called the French Venice. After spending 2 days in port waiting for less extreme conditions, we left at 10 p.m. to head to Marseille. It was a long and tiring sail given the weather conditions, with steady 30-knot winds that were very gusty. We arrived in the morning after about 75 miles. A friend joined us in Marseille for the remainder of the trip. In 3 both the night shifts and sailing in general became easier. We left the next morning to arrive in Cassis, finding upwind winds of 25 knots. To make 40 miles we traveled nearly 70 miles to get upwind and waves. After an obligatory rest day in Cassis due to extreme weather conditions, we set off again to get to the island of Friaul, opposite Marseille, always in 25 to 30 knot winds and waves, and always upwind. The next morning we left Friaul with destination Cap d'Agde. About 80 miles but with weather conditions finally calm, 10 knots of wind and warm air. The last leg from Cap d'Agde to Port Leucate was intense. We started with the onset of a Mistral, which was destined to worsen considerably in the next few hours. The goal was to arrive before the predicted 45-knot gusts. We barely made it.